Hi Tip Tub followers. Today we're going to have a quick look at maintaining it, your Tip Tub. Not only do we have the benefit of not needing hydraulics, not needing electrics, it's all gravity of course, how it operates. We go on and off very quickly, as you can see with the 4 straps, on and off in a couple of minutes, but cleaning it and maintaining it is quick and easy as well. Now with a hose or a blower like this, you just need to blow out these tracks. That quickly. So not only quickly on and off, but quickly to maintain. Everything's quick, everything is instant with the Tip Tub. G'day everyone. Now, like everything, everything needs maintenance, so your Tip Tub needs a bit of maintenance. So you should show it a bit of love by cleaning out the tracks, washing out the tub with a blower, a bit of water. It's completely waterproof, you can go outside of course. Don't forget to clean these tracks out every now and then. And then you'll have no problems as you go into the future. That simple, that quick.